Going on YouTube, you're watching. Includes this real carbon. Made of 100% real carbon fiber, the high gloss finish, looking beautiful as ever. You know the deal. We got this piece available on nextgenspeed.com though. The OEM replaced for the top piece, not a cover just yet, but the covers will be releasing very soon. This piece requires removal of the old one, pretty much unhooking all the wires, all the clips like that, taking off the old one, and then replacing it with this one. For a very nice design, OEM finish, no covers, nothing like that, with any plastic showing on the edges. Pretty much just an OEM replacement piece with 100% real carbon fiber on it. This piece installed today, show you guys how to do it and see how she looks. So we got the C8 in the shop today. Pretty much gonna show you a little quick comparison between the two pieces that we got. Got many new pieces we just released at Next Gen Speed 2. But many new videos coming out as well, so stay tuned for that. But quick little comparison between the two, you know? That plastic, you know, nasty OEM plastic on there. That's how we come in with that real carbon fiber, guys. So I take this old piece off, put the new one in. Should be quick and easy, so let's get to it. Off, you want to get an interior pry tool, pretty much pop off the clips, kind of pop her out, and then unplug the harnesses. Clips removes. All we have to do is get these 3 ones in the front, then we should be good to go. And she is off, guys. Simpler than I thought, which is perfect. So we gotta get behind these little clips, remove these little wires behind here, and it'll be good to go. Start off, I'm gonna remove each of these bun pieces. Don't wanna remove the actual wire itself on the back, but the actual whole piece itself. So you wanna get a screwdriver or pry tool, go in between these clips, and remove these actual buns from the actual piece. Push on the clips on the back and then push on the front, and they'll pop out just like that, guys. So gonna follow that for each of these 3 pieces. This is out. Found a little trick as well. You go inside here and kind of pry under it and push up. Helps take that out. This pretty much kind of goes just like that. Be careful with it. Kind of pop it out. And the 3 button pieces and airbag piece are officially out, guys. I got this wire piece in here, the clip. Got to take that out from these clips. And then 2 harnesses we got to unplug. Got this clip we got to plug in and then pull out right here. So the tricky part, you need some small hands and a screwdriver as well. Got that plug taken out, you gotta put pressure on this little edge and pull it out like that. This piece does come out too, so you have more clearance to get to, which is perfect. But now we got is this plug right up here. So this plug is probably the hardest plug to get plugged in. What you want to do to get access to it is pretty much pry up under it, push up, and get it off that little bracket piece. Let it pull it out, and then simply get it taken off. The red clip popped. Got that popped out. And she is free, guys. Got the old one, new one ready to install. Pretty much reverse all the procedure and get her back in. I can stop it. She's ready to be put back in. Just put the top clips in first and then bring her on up. And she's in, guys. Looking good. So officially installed. Got the high gloss carbon fiber finish on there. Looking beautiful, guys. Bun's all working nice. Everything's looking good. Car's off right now, but everything's lit up. Looking beautiful, guys. If you guys want this piece, check out nextgenspeed.com. Link in the description below if you guys want to get this. Got the OEM replacement available now as we speak, and the covers will be releasing very soon.